Hey, it's me again, here with another video. This one is about Bitcoin ETF. So we could dive into this one and see whether it helps you with your research. And as always, remember that this is for research only, and you must always do your own research. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button now. And for those who have sent me tips, thank you very much. God bless you all. Watch it to the end. This information would help you to achieve your goals. So currently on Bloomberg, they are talking about Bitcoin ETF issuers clear major hurdle on path to SEC approval. So what does this mean? The SEC staff says to have no more feedback on several key filings. SEC commissioners plan votes on exchange rules filings next week. So what does this tell us? If the ETF is approved, the market is likely to get fired up. The market is currently waiting, and there is this feeling that it's been priced in already, that Bitcoin approval is going to happen next week. But there is a but. What if Bitcoin ETF is not approved? What's going to happen? Should we take a look at the charts and see what the chart has to say? Let's have a look. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart. We're on the weekly, US dollar Bitcoin, and the price is currently at 43,842. There is a consolidation just above the cloud and just under the 0.702 fib. This is a resistance, as you can see here, and then you've got consolidation. If I zoom in a bit more, there's consolidation and resistance. So Bitcoin's been trying to break this resistance and it's been held back. I suppose they're waiting for the ETF approval before to know which direction Bitcoin's going to go. Today is Sunday, so tomorrow being Monday, there should possibly be a release of such data, whether approved or not. Let's see what can happen in this chart. If approved, Bitcoin can go to or pass the top of the golden pocket, which is the 0.786. As on this chart is 50,278. If not approved, Bitcoin can actually drop about 52%. So let's see. So if approved, Bitcoin could go up, test the top of the golden pocket, then retest it, and then continue. If not approved, if the ETF is not approved, Bitcoin do this. It can go up, touch the top of the golden pocket, and you're wondering, why is it going up? They're coming to clean house. They want to take your stop losses on the people who's actually trading for it to go down. And for those who want it to go up, they're about to lose all of their stops out here too, before it continues to go down and down and down to this area. So the area that I have here in this box, so top area being 34,855, lower end of the box is just under the 0.5 fib, which is 32,755 on the fib. So I think it must be a little bit lower. It might go a little bit lower, and that could come down to 32,102. But knowing Bitcoin, it can actually come down all the way down and touch the bottom of the cloud, and that will bring us to about $25,949. If Bitcoin is not approved for the ETF. It may be for a short while. So this whole move will be so fast because at the moment everybody's expecting it to be approved, but the market makers need to make money. So the good feel of where Bitcoin is at the moment, of the approval, if it happens, then great. Bitcoin is going to move. And the end target for that would be, this is on a weekly, we're looking at 174,894. So having said that, this here, after an all-time high of Bitcoin going back into the golden pocket and actually touching the top of the 0.786, has found to be a rejection. So if we go back to previous Bitcoin, then the next move back into the golden pocket, you can see it's actually always been rejected. Always been rejected. It's been rejected here back in July 2019. And if we go back a bit further, it's been rejected here back in June 2016. It's been rejected. So what will be the difference now? Bitcoin runs. If you look here, I'll show you this. Let's zoom in and see. From here to this automatic rally, you have a rejection. Look, it's brilliant. A good rejection. And you must be able to do another one. So what was this? This was 2013. So you got a rejection there in between. And even if you put it to the top of this wick, look where the rejection was, at the bottom of it. Bitcoin got rejected at the bottom of the golden pocket. Bitcoin got rejected at the top of the golden pocket. And here, Bitcoin got rejected at the top of the golden pocket. Where are we at the moment? So Bitcoin could come down to, yep, down to here. Between the 0.5 fib, which is 32,755, and the top of the box, 34,855. So back to a comment that was made by Marshall here. He said this. Prediction. Marshall Hayner's prediction. The ETF will not be approved until stablecoin regulations wangled and a particular stablecoin finally gets audits from a top 4. The good news is I expect that will happen soon enough. So that's really interesting. So his prediction is that it won't get approved this week. A gentleman here by the name of Jason Brett, he says, unpopular opinion, I don't see a Bitcoin ETF being approved in the near future. I can't see what's in it for Gray. Prove me wrong. I hope I'm wrong, but I think the approval comes right before he exits the SEC, like the Ripple suit from his predecessors. The last day of the office. So is that saying Gary Gensler is leaving office just before he makes the approval, and then somebody else has to come in? So that's going to be interesting. Marshall's reply: stablecoins regulations will come soon enough. This will pave the ETF pathway. If that is so, then the market's going to go down, and this is where you're going to get a correction or black swan, whatever you want to call it. This is opportunities for people to get what they want out of the market at low prices. This must be the last of the low prices for a short while the bull market takes on full force. If you like what you're hearing, don't forget to subscribe. Speak to you soon. Enjoy your days. And if it's nighttime, have a good sleep. Love you all. Bye.